What's going on, guys? JR, the general manager at Palm Harbor Homes in Victoria. I'm standing with Michael Lowe, our inventory manager here in Victoria. We're standing in our VZ 3256 3-bedroom. We have this floor plan in a 3 and 4 bedroom, and we've got a great discount on it right now. Right now, we have discounted this house right at $10,000. Includes delivery, setup, AC, tie down, blocking, the whole 9. Michael, tell us a little bit more about what's going on here at Palm Harbor, Victoria.
Guys, there is a ton of opportunity here at Palm Harbor, Victoria right now. There are so many houses available, ready for immediate delivery with tens of thousands of dollars of savings right here, right now, with a ton of awesome promotions all stacked up on each other. Guys, it is a fantastic time. Don't miss out on this perfect opportunity to move you and your family into a brand new Palm Harbor.
Like Michael was saying, we have a ton of inventory, guys. More inventory than anybody in the state of Texas. We have over 50 floors to choose from here at Palm Harbor, Victoria, and hundreds more we can order. Guys, we look forward to seeing all of you. Stay warm in this cold weather. Y'all have a great weekend. Thank you, guys.